Ever handed your phone to someone and wondered what they might find in Chrome? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to clear your Google Chrome history on your phone in just a few steps. It's simple, fast and helps keep your browsing private. Let's get started. First, take your phone, then open the Google Chrome browser app. After the app is open, tap on the three dots more icon in the top right corner. Here you can select settings. Once you are in the settings, scroll down and find the privacy and security option, tap on them. After that, look at the top menu bar. Here find the delete browsing data option, click to open it. Here you can see all of the available listed there. For example, you can select browsing history, cookies and site data, cache image and files if you like. Once everything if you selected, then select the time range. For example, I am select all time. Once everything selected, tap on the delete data button at the bottom and automatically clear Google Chrome history on your phone. To check it works, simply return to the Google Chrome home page, tap on the three dots button, then go to history. And right now you will find your history here. This means don't be history listed there, automatically erase it. Thanks for watching.